Tell me a little bit more about your research with Dr. Sippy.
Well, the number one thing we're trying to do is we're trying to find a new method for quantifying the bacteria that we find in the bay. The old method that we use right now takes 22 hours to do. You don't know if the beach was gross until the day after, sadly, but this new method will only take about 4 hours.
I'm actually doing a research project here through my master's program with 3 other girls. We are studying the effects on group therapy, like group OT treatment compared to individual group treatment.
Right now I'm doing research with Dr. Ranjana Dutta, and when I came to her, she went to a couple other students and was like, hey, let's try and get this research team going. So we're looking at delay behaviors in young adults right now. She really gave us the freedom to take the research in the direction that we wanted.
Why did you pick your major?
I loved all the professors in the department, and I'd always been interested in chemistry, even in high school, so it just kind of seemed like a natural transition. And then also, there's a national conference for the American Chemical Society. This spring it's going to be in Orlando, and the SDSU Chemistry Club helps students go to that conference and present, so students have an opportunity to do that as well.
Tell me a little bit about this lab and what OT students use it for.
So we are actually sitting in the ADL suite. The activities of daily living is a big part of what OTs do. We try to get patients back to what they do on a daily basis, such as like bathing and dressing and cooking and cleaning, or just even being able to pick out your own clothes in the morning.
What kinds of opportunities does SDSU offer to present your research?
So there's this thing called the UGRP. It's the Undergraduate Research Program, and what it does is it offers funding to students to go to like travel conferences, to know that the school has your back and has funding and allocation set aside specifically for students to do that is really great.
At the end of every year, the Undergraduate Research Program has a poster symposium where all students who are involved in research on campus have to put together a poster of their project, and they just go to present it to all the other researchers and all the other professors who choose to go to that symposium.
What has been your favorite field placement experience?
I completed my first level 1 rotation at McLaren Inpatient Rehab in Bay City. And my second rotation I just started today actually, and that is at the SDSU Athletic Training Center. It's really nice working right there hands-on with athletes.
What are your plans after graduation?
After I graduate, I plan to go to grad school and pursue a PhD in chemistry, in organic chemistry.
I plan to pursue my PhD. I'm hoping to go to Wayne State for a human development degree in psychology.
I'm glad I chose SDSU because at a smaller college like this, you have a lot more opportunities to branch out in your career. I got an opportunity to do 3 different research opportunities actually. Just because it's a small school doesn't mean you have to have small opportunities.